Thank you.
Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be watching trucks, okay? I'm going to be going. No, I'm not. I'm pointing it at me.
Oh, to the sun. Okay, well sit down and watch.
Hey guys, I'm going to look at the truck. You guys can see the one truck. The truck way down there. You guys can see that's Amaya's truck. Buddy, come on. I'm watching them. Guys, there's a truck coming right down there. Right here. This is going to be a long video, guys. I might have multiple parts. Okay, guys, I might just have multiple parts of the video. Okay, guys? Ready? Come on. Let's go. And the truck. The truck's right there. Somebody's waving in. And another truck right here. And there's more trucks. There's a garbage truck. Guys, yeah, there's a garbage truck coming. Guys, look closely. You can see the garbage truck. The garbage truck is right there. There's another truck. Anya, you want to say hi? Guys, Anya, come on. This is my little cousin, Anya. She's really cute. Here's some trucks. Anya, I'm making a YouTube video. Come on. I'm recording the truck. Yeah, here's one truck. No, the other garbage truck. Guys, the garbage truck is up right here. Guys, there's the garbage truck. Here's the truck. Woo. I'm recording them.
That's fine, you can sit.
Guys, you guys are gonna be. Guys, here, I have a wood chip. I'm gonna throw it. Woo! That just went in the grass, guys. Here's another truck. Yeah, that's Brady right there. I'm gonna zoom in on you, Brady. I zoomed in on you. They can't see your face. Right, I need to get in the right spot. I can't see you just yet. They can kind of see you. Oh yeah, guys, there's a truck right there. Some trucks.
Here's that pop shop.
From the mountain.
What?
There's a car. That's really cool. Guys, here's a truck. You guys want the pop socket that I'm using? I got it from Mountain. If you dad or mom work for a towing company or something, you can go and you can get one of these. Guys, a truck is coming. A truck is coming. That's actually an ambulance. Another truck. I might end it here, guys. Because it's gonna be like 3 hours, guys, of me recording.
Well, we can make half an hour. We can make 6 half an hour videos.
Guys, look at some more trucks. Ambulance. The semi. No, I know. I'm making the title.
What are you gonna make it?
Watching a truck show. No,
Labor Day.
it's not Labor Day. Oh yeah, yes it is. Labor Day truck parade.
Part 1.
Guys.
Truck parade.
Yeah, this is Labor Day truck parade part 1, guys. There's a fire truck. Fire truck is coming.
Once it's been a half an hour, let's do it.
There's a truck. So, Brady, we're going to be taking a little break in between. Play. And fire truck. Fire truck! Look at that. I can't guys, I don't think you need to see it. Okay, good. You guys see the fire truck? Guys, can you see Brady? Brady, look.
Hi guys.
That's Brady.
See me? Comment down below if you can. Can we show Anya again?
Huh? Anya!
Roger, here's the thing.
There's the truck. Sorry, my hand right here. I'm trying to so you guys can see it really good. Truck. I might end it soon, guys. I might end it soon. So, guys, I might end it soon. So, yeah, because I need to go to the bathroom. Guys, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoy when I'm ending it. After this, I'm gonna end it. Okay. Wait. No, wait. No. Green Ghost is coming. Guys, Green Ghost is coming. If you ever seen Green Ghost.
So you see Green Ghost?
I know, yeah. Guys, if you see Green Ghost, let me show you what he looks like. Wait, there's a semi. That's not Green Ghost. Huh? I know, guys. Green Ghost is coming, okay? See that truck on the back? That is Green Ghost. You guys will see him when he comes over the corner. That's not Green Ghost, that's the other side one. Okay, guys. Semi. So the Green Ghost is right here. Look at this, guys. Green Ghost. Green Ghost is coming. That's not him. That is. Guys, if you can, if you can see it, that's Green Ghost. Guys, that's Green Ghost. He looks blue in the video, but he's green. Yeah, he has lights on. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna end it after this truck. So, guys, you see that truck? That truck's really cool. Bye, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Comment below what next video we should do after all this is done. And yeah, after the parade videos. Comment below and hope you guys enjoy. Share the love. Peace.
See you later.
See you later. Subscribe. Give a like. Bye, guys. See you later.
Since you guys, by the way.
Wait, comment below what your favorite kind of ice cream is.
And by the way,
Excuse me.
by the way, guys, since you guys made it all the way to this part of the video, why don't you guys comment what your
Wait, don't get too close. Okay, good.
you should comment your favorite ice cream if you got this to this part of the video.
Yeah, at the very last video, we're gonna show you the flavors of ice cream that we're gonna get. Yeah.
All right, bye guys.
Bye, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, it's gonna end on Brady's